Wizkid was able to celebrate Flavor on his birthday, but didn't send any message. Is it paining you? Regina Daniels tackles ex-lover Sumadina over his recent comment about her screenshot, and that is quite interesting. And people are already saying, if like say this guy I still did all those kind of things, and what can we do? We still got to talk about it in this video. I still have loads of interesting things like Whiskey actually bagging 2 awards category on at the Grammy, and then some people responding to that, want to compare Davido Whiskey because it's been always like a great fight between them. And before I proceed further, I want you guys to understand that, man, I'm taking this time out to appreciate you guys for always being a part of it, and then liking my videos, watching them, sharing across social media platforms. That is also a huge one, and commenting in the comment section. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, take out time, click the subscribe button below and the bell notification icon to always get notifications each time we upload our videos. But if already subscribed, thank you for subscribing, and make sure you share my video. All right, now let's talk about things going on, and a lot of people are talking about it. I have a particular interesting video that came from an older lady, a old lady based abroad, shares her experience with a younger man, and you guys need to actually listen to her and get to understand and put your own judgment in the first place, or put your own opinion about the whole story, because it's all about what is being spoken about and social media. And you got to understand that most younger people, when they are dating other people right now, they like, especially when these old people are a bit kind of, they have some substance and the rest, they want to take advantage of them. They believe that these older people are desperate, and they want to capitalize on that and then exploit them, and that is quite wrong. That is something, if you believe that yes, I can't love you enough, why go after the person? That is something I will tell you, because let's have conscience to an extent that we always kind of put us in a better place in this world. And what is your own take about this kind of story? Before we proceed further, let's have a glimpse of that video.
I want shout to. I want shout to. Now this boy, if you see me, he go say fine woman, black beauty, you not touch your color. He love me, he like me. Now I can't gree for him. People hear me. The day where you come, now so I give him rubber. Now I say make you use rubber. Say this rubber, if they guide, they protect against unwanted pregnancy. And not only that, if they protect against sexually transmitted disease. He say lie no, he say he know me. He say I be beautiful lady. Now so I can't gree for him. Anytime I dey as he go come, he go eat, he go sleep. No be I come say belle don't come. Now I come call tell her say belle come. Now he say wetin I talk, me old woman. He say me say me get belle for her, no be you. Now say but when I dey give you rubber, you say you know take. He say you no say me go fit still born for her. I know say I senior and well. Now he say he no go carry. He say I be a dede. He say he dey shame to tell him friend say me dey come where me dey, or me get belle for him. He say when he dey come, he dey look here before he enter my house. He say me I go remove am. Now that one come pay me pass. You see me now, I dey sleep. And he even see me, he no pity me. Say me I go remove am. Pikin wey me dey find since, make me go remove am. I don't go ever remove am. As he call me a dede, I go tell her say a dede no dey born a dede. Na
Is it paining you? Regina Daniels tackle ex-lover Somadina Dima over his recent comment about her screenshot. Yes, that is now being debated across social media. Some persons are saying that, man, because of money, Regina Daniels left a young lover that she loved so much and then went ahead with the money marriage and all those kind of things. Ned Woko, who is like a grandfather to her. But right now, it's like the guy is still having a thing to do with Regina Daniels. According to what Regina Daniels posted a screenshot and said, happy, okay, posted a screenshot, and then this Somadina actually responded and said, happy you are back or set, Madam Tourist, with a laughter. And then Regina Danes also kind of in a subtle way protested and responded and said, is it paining you? I will travel as I want, with laughter also. And I think they are now, they are friends already. Now, according to the story, they said Ned Woko actually paid him off, and that is quite interesting to an extent. And I think we have to understand that most people are in for the money. They don't care about who they get married to or the rest. Shomole and Beauty Queen is another example you need to understand at the point in time. What is your own take about this whole story? I need that in the comment section so that we can actually talk about it further. I love interacting with you guys. All right, guys, what is happening right now is that Adama politician allegedly awards somebody 1,000 naira scholarship to his constituents, and that is generating a lot of reactions. And some people are not too excited and cool with that. How can you give somebody scholarship of 1,000 naira, and what is the person going to do with 1,000 naira? And I think these people are making mockery of the whole system, and it's not really cool, and giving people some kind of 1,000 naira each of them is mockery. They need to actually call him to order, in order to find a lasting solution to this kind of things happening next time. And people are reacting already, protesting on social media. I know that, yes, something going to be done about these kind of things. Guys, right now, people are already talking about Wizkid and Davido, about Davido's birthday celebration. Wizkid was able to celebrate Flavor on his birthday, but didn't send any message to Davido, and that a lot of people are condemning right now, saying that this is unfair for Davido. Because Davido from time to time do send out message and celebrate Wizkid on his birthday, and how come that Wizkid is not doing same to him, and that is really bad of Wizkid. According to what this person said, he said, notice how Wizkid didn't wish Davido yesterday, happy birthday, and has always been that way. But Davido always be wishing him happy birthday. Maybe Wizkid is the toxic one in this kind of conflict, and that is what some persons are talking about. But Wizkid has not responded to that. Wizkid is celebrating his nominations at the Grammy Awards after getting a nod. 64th Grammy Award singer Wizkid bags to nods from the Grammy Academy and the rest. According to the best global music performer, Burna Boy was able to make that list with Angelique Kidjo, and Wizkid got Essence on that list also. And some people are already saying that this category should go to Wizkid because of the statistical performance of the song Essence to an extent. And what is your own take? What do you believe? But for me, I believe that Wizkid is going to bring at least a Grammy home, and that is what I'm believing about this whole story. The best global music album Whiskey got, made in Lagos Deluxe Edition, and then Femi Kuti and his son Made Kuti actually got on that list with Legacy. We have Mother Nature, Angelique Kidjo. That is also interesting part of it. We have three Africans, and that is going to be a huge one. And some people are going to concede to some persons. And what is your own take about this kind of thing? But I think Whiskey needs to take a rethink on the way he treats Davido. That is something I believe, because somebody cannot be over the years sending out birthday message to you, and you have remained taciturn, quiet over that, and it's quite disturbing to an extent. And some people are saying that yes, Whiskey is the toxic one in this relationship. What do you believe about that? Do you believe that Whiskey is the toxic person in this relationship? Let's have that in the comment section so that we can talk about it further. Before I jump off, I want to still use this opportunity to appreciate you guys for always loving me out, sharing my videos across social media platforms, reaching out to me, and that is a great way to go. Before I finally say bye to you guys, you are new to this YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification icon to always get notifications each time we upload our videos. But if already subscribed, thank you for subscribing, and make sure you share our video. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys.